Good morning, students. This is Murthy, sir. In the previous class, in invertebrata, you have learned about Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematohelminthes, and Annelida. Today, let us learn about Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata. Phylum Arthropoda represents maximum number of species in the animal kingdom. Arthropods are the most biologically successful and abundant animal group on Earth. There are more arthropod species than all other species combined. There are 1 million known species of arthropods. Arthropods are bilaterally symmetrical. Arthropods, they have small body cavities and have jointed appendages for efficient locomotion. The biological terms coelom, it means body cavity. Appendages, it means legs which are useful for movement. In arthropods, the legs are jointed. In arthropods, the segmented bodies are arranged into three regions. They are called tagmata. The three regions are head, thorax, and abdomen. The paired appendages, that is legs and antennae, are jointed. Arthropods, they possess a chitinous exoskeleton that must be shed during growth. The exoskeleton is for protection of the body. In this picture, you can see some examples of arthropods: cockroach, scorpion, locust, centipede. Cockroach, it contains white colored blood. It is a nocturnal insect. Scorpions are also nocturnal organisms which are active during night time. Now, let us learn about the seventh invertebrate phylum, Mollusca. Molluscans, they contain soft bodies which are enclosed in a calcium carbonate shell. The mantle secretes the shell. The molluscans are unsegmented and bilaterally symmetrical organisms. Molluscans, they contain a muscular foot for locomotion. They contain gills for breathing. The molluscans, they contain complete digestive tract, and they contain open circulatory system which is not well developed. Usually the sexes are separate. In the molluscans, cephalization is there, head region is present. In this picture, you can see some examples of molluscans: octopus, snail, nautilus, clam, mussel. All these are different examples of molluscans. Now let us move on to the last invertebrate phylum, Echinodermata. Echinoderms are exclusively marine and are among the most common and widely distributed of marine animals. They occur in all seas, from the intertidal zone to the great depths. The echinoderms are radially symmetrical and nearly always pentamerous, means they contain 5 arms. Echinoderms, the body is triploblastic. It means contains 3 germ layers. And they are coelomate. They contain a body cavity, but without definite head and segmentation. Echinoderms, they contain a unique water vascular system which is useful for locomotion in water. Now let us see some examples of echinoderms: starfish, antedon, Ophioderma, echinus, Holothuria. All these are different examples of echinoderms. The echinoderms are completely marine organisms. Now let us learn about Darwin's theory of evolution. Charles Darwin was a British naturalist who who proposed the theory of evolution. The theory of evolution by natural selection. It was proposed by Charles Darwin in his book The Origin of Species, published in the year 1859. The natural selection is the process by which organisms change in the course of millions of years as a result of inheritance. Natural selection is the process whereby organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offsprings. The theory of its action was first fully expounded by Charles Darwin, and it is now regarded as the main process that brings about evolution in nature. Charles Darwin visited Galapagos Islands, which are located near South America. There he spent many months in observing different plant and animal species and finally formulated the theory of evolution. The evolution by natural selection, which was proposed by Charles Darwin, is one of the best theories in the history of science. It was supported by evidence from a wide variety of scientific disciplines. They are paleontology, geology, genetics, and developmental biology. Paleontology is the scientific study of fossils. Geology is the study of Earth. Genetics is the scientific study of inheritance and it is related to genes.